Hey guys, welcome to my channel Magic Mask with me Smitha Bhat here. So today I've come up with a new video and I'm super happy to see you all in another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. If you want to know more about, then keep watching till the end. Now let's get into the video. As I said in the introduction, this is an unboxing video and I have purchased 3 products from Rock brand, and it is a cast iron cookware products that I purchased from Amazon, and I just got it delivered today. So I thought of making an unboxing video for you guys. So if you're really interested, I'll put all the links in the description box below so you guys can go and check it out. Before I show you all these products, I'll just tell about Rock. Rock is a dealer who sells all these pre-seasoned cast iron products in Amazon, and they had really good rating, so I thought of buying them. The first product that I got from this brand is the pre-seasoned cast iron Appam Chatti. It's really heavy, and it's really good. The finishing of this product is also really good. I really love appams, so my mom just wanted to have appam chatti and she told me to order this one, and I got it from Amazon from the brand called Rock. And as you guys can see, it's mentioned as Rock even in this cookware. It's really heavy and it's really good, and it comes in this bubble packaging. Rock brand has a very good review in Amazon, and that's why I decided to purchase from this brand. And when talking about the pricing, compared to the other products in Amazon, like other dealers from Amazon for cast iron cookwares, I think Rock is much cheaper. I got 3 products from them, and it cost me somewhere around 1,150. Individually the price range was somewhere around 500 to 700, but all the other dealers products were somewhere between 1000, like 900 to 2000 range. So I would highly recommend Rock brand, and they had so much good reviews on Amazon, and ratings are also 4.4 to 4.6. Manual that they have given is this paper. It's mentioned Rock Tawa. Before first use instructions and maintenance instructions they have given with images and an instruction below. I'll just read it out fast. Before first use, wash the product with mild detergent, dry it with clean cloth, apply oil generously on working surface, heat it at low flame till it smokes, switch off the stove and allow it to cool. Now you're good to go. So that's it you have to do once you get this tawa. The first time when you're using it, this is what you have to follow, and you're good to go. You can start cooking. For maintenance, you have 3 steps. After use, just wash with water, dry it with a clean cloth, and then apply oil on working surface and just store. That's it guys. And never keep these cast iron cookwares closed. Just keep it open, because you apply oil and you leave it, so you may get the smell of the oil if it is like kept under any wardrobes. So I would highly suggest you to keep all the iron cookwares open on the slab kitchen, so that it will really last long and you won't get any smell from the oil. I highly recommend you guys to switch on to this pre-seasoned or seasoned cast iron or iron utensils and cookwares, because these were the cookwares that our ancestors, our grandmothers were using, and they were so healthy. But now we have shifted to this fashionable cookwares, the non-stick ones, which you guys know there is a toxic coating that is there for all these cookwares, and when you start heating repeatedly, they will release all these toxins, and when you intake them through food, it's very harmful. It is injurious to health. So I highly recommend that we start using all these ancient cookware products, so that we can stay healthy. In the same manual, they have also mentioned that if anything is sticking to this product, right, do not use steel scrubber, the one that comes in that black wire kind of scrubber, right? Don't use that. Use plastic or coconut fiber to clean them. And they also have mentioned the manufacturer name. It's called SLNF, Sri Lakshmi Narsimha Foundries Private Limited, and the store is in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. They've given the email ID, their telephone number, and also raptawa.com site is also mentioned in this, so you can also get it directly from their site as well. And they also have mentioned that it is made in India, and I'm so proud that I got this one, guys. The second product that I got is this tawa, or kadhai, whatever you wanted to call it, and it was a 7.5-inch tawa, and you can hear the sound. It's a pure cast iron product. It's pre-seasoned as well, and it's really heavy, so you can make any curries or sambar, rasam. You can also deep fry oil items, and you can also make all these palyas, you know, using this tawa. It's really nice. They also have mentioned a Rock brand name in this cookware as well. And the last product that I got is this Dosa Tawa. It is a 9-inch Dosa Tawa, and it looks something like this. You have two handles, but when it is on stove, when it is hot, you are not supposed to touch these handles because they're also made of iron, so you may burn your hands. Just take precautions. Use a nice cloth on both sides to like take it from the stove after use. It's a very nice medium sized tawa. This is how it looks, and it's also really heavy. And for a home cooking, I highly suggest a 9-inch or 10.5 is more than enough, because they are really handy. And for the stove that we have at home, be it 2, 3 or 4 burners, I think this is a decent size that you can purchase. There is also 12-inch tawa. It's really big. I highly suggest that can be used for hotel cooking, but for normal household cooking, I think 10.5 is more than enough to make normal dosas. But if you guys really want to make big dosas in 12-inch, you can definitely go and try it out. But I hear that 12-inch dosas generally don't spread heat on all the sides, like till the end of the tawa. You have to put it in minimum and wait for a little more time for it to get spread. So I'm not sure, but 9-inch I have just tried it in my stove. It is like you get the flame spread throughout, so that's the reason I said you can definitely try 10.5 or 9-inch ka dosa. So compared to the dealers in Amazon who are selling this pre-seasoned cast iron cookwares, I think Rock brand is in budget. It is somewhere around 500 to 700 or max 900 is their pricing for their products. But when I compare this to other dealers, their range were somewhere between 1000 to 2000. So I highly recommend Rock brand. It's a very good brand, and they have really good reviews, guys. So their rating was somewhere from 4.4 to 4.6, and there's so much comments down for these products, and I was really happy, and I thought to give it a try, and I'm super happy with the purchase and with the packaging and the way it is delivered. It just took 3 days for me to get this product. The products that our ancestors or grandma were using, and they're so healthy, but we changed to this so-called fashionable cookwares, which are these non-stick cookwares which have so much of toxic layers in them. And when you start heating it repeatedly, they'll start releasing all these toxic properties into the food, and when we intake this food, it is definitely going to be very harmful. So the air is polluted, the food that we get is preserved or it's toxic, and the cookware that we cook is also toxic. Then it's going to be a slow poison that we are intaking on a daily basis. So guys, please make sure that at least let's start buying all these products now, and they are made in India products as well. As you know, all the politics that's happening in this world, let's support our country, let's buy Indian products, and also let's eat healthy. Let's support our nation by buying made in India products. That's it guys for today. So I hope this video was really helpful and a little informative. So if you really like this video, then please share it with your friends and family. And again, I would like to tell you that Rock brand is really nice, and you get it in Amazon. I'll put all the links in the description box below for you guys to go and check it out if you want to buy any one of these. So until I see you all in my next video, it's me Smitha Bhat signing off, and be safe, wear a mask whenever you go out, and let's fight corona. Stay connected. Bye.